Hi everyone! So last lesson we looked at working out the area of compound shapes by counting their squares. This time we have no squares, okay? However, we do have all the lengths on our shape, so we haven't got to work out any. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the same method as you were when you were splitting the shape up and you were doing the length and the width. And we're just going to do it without the squares, okay? So as per last lesson, you will need two colours to do this, okay? And you're going to split your shape into two. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to split my shape, okay? And I'm going to do this rectangle as my green one. And then I've got this little rectangle here as my orange one. Now what's tricky now is figuring out which lengths are important to working out the area of the shape, okay, or the area of the one rectangle that you're focusing on, okay. So if we're looking at this rectangle here, what some people will do is they'll just say that it's 10 by 8, okay, but you can't make that mistake, because if you look at it, this 8 is the whole of the bottom length, not just up to this line, which is all I need, okay? So the only two lengths that I'm going to use on the green one is this 10 and the 5. So the length is 10 and the width is 5. And if I write the area, so I've done it in green so we know it's the green one, it's 10 by 5, which is 50 centimetres squared. Okay, what about the little orange rectangle now? Again, some people might think that it's 8 again, or they'll use a different length. But what you've got here is you just focus on the part that you've got and the two lengths that are labelled on that part. Now this isn't part of it because it's all the way across. So all I'm working with on this one is 3 and 2. So the area is 3 times 2, which is 6 centimetres squared, and all I do now to find the total area is add my two numbers together. So the total area is 56 centimetres squared, okay? So again, like last lesson, I want you to do the exact same as I have. Use two different colours, write down your workings so I can see what you're doing, and then add your two answers together. Okay, so have a go.